dapat.
Ayan sila.
Kala ko babalik.
Sila sa gitna. Oh.
Talaga?
Uy, malangganinan nyo.
Walang makisalo sa kanila.
Pinapakuha nga ito yun sila. Kung liliko na ata. Kasi nakaradyo yung isa eh.
Kita na ba sa Maglawa?
Ay, labas kaya.
Sinama sa iya pero
Mas talo pa sila.
18 na.
Malamig na isa.
Madami pa nakapila.
Ay, paminawa daw yung dinasolti na.
Sino?
Kung may papanood ko.
المشكلة دلوقتي المشكلة مش في الحاجات المشكلة دلوقتي في زحمة وكده على فكرة انت
Pagka ano, mauna kaming dalawa kayo susunod, no? Para may taong lamisa ba? Dala.
Ano daw ba?
Ano ba yun? Problema? Ilang...
What happened?
You know Arabic?
No.
You tell me what's happening. If you see anything no good, لازم you tell.
Astaghfirullah.
That should be, ah.
Hindi niya nagustuhan, no?
Kamusta ka?
Mabuti. Yan ang Pilipino.
No, I have nanny.
Ah.
I have housemate and nanny.
Pilipina.
Bubaling ko nga 16 years.
Mashallah.
One 12 years, one 16 years.
Ah, mashallah. You good, madam?
In Manila.
Ah.
Two in Manila. Long time. That's my family.
Parang nakita ko na yung anak mo.
Sino?
Nakita ko na yung anak mo.
Sorry for my sister.
Eh, these two.
Yeah, this is first day one and second in this first day.
Parang mukha naman ng mga anak mo.
Mashallah.
Bait, no? We will go back. No,
Finish?
no, I think some Filipino, they will go down.
Because he make offer, she tell his best.
At night.
No, next time I know how. Before we take this same, this one.
Yate.
120 every one is good. You have good tea,
Good service. Yeah. See?
Fee 29. We make offer 29 because she
Yeah,
too much
offer.
paper. After we take 29, maybe fee is good, good service. No, only imitation item. Line for
Yeah, too much.
this one is feel like that. No, you no shoes. If he give you shoes. You do breakfast. You have breakfast. You have any restaurant. You give money. You do it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You,
Same when we go in Oman. Same like that.
no, fee restaurant cheap fee. And if you see no expensive, fee offer too much now because holiday. You know in Dubai? You living there?
No.
Sharjah, madam.
Huh?
In Sharjah. We live in Sharjah.
You also live in Sharjah.
Huh?
I don't live in Amman.
Eh, parang sa Sarja ko na
Where in Sarja
nakita
ba?
yung lalaki.
I live in Garay.
Ah.
Algaray.
Karay. Karay.
Parang nakita
Near
ko
the
na kasi
airport,
anak ng
Sharjah.
lalaki.
You know
Yeah.
Garay? Garay 5. I live in there.
Karay.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakita sa...
You were in Sharjah.
Baka sa ano.
Sa
For me
nasibisa
in
namin,
Assyria.
ano.
Huh?
Backside of Zuleika Hospital.
Ah, Julekha Hospital
Yeah,
in Sharjah.
backside,
Okay.
yeah.
Near the Matafi, yeah? Near you, Matafi.
Teka, pila ako. Pila na
Wala.
tayo.
Ikaw lang pipila.
Near you, Hada Mubarak, yeah? You have Pierre
Kayo
Cardin.
muna.
Ang layo pa niyan, man. Mas mahilo ka pa.
Yeah.
Kasi para may taong lamisa ba? Ayun ang pila doon.
Ayan sila.
Diyan na kayo